that. So right there, the end of that gas line's cut. And it's fallen off. It's actually not the gas line, it's the vacuum line, the one that pulls the diaphragm open and allows fuel to flow. So that would explain why it just stalled. That is very interesting. I must have pinched it when I was taking it off the other day. There we go. That'll help. Good. Another good thing to find out before I'm out there. Nice. Back in business. Let's go for a ride.